In this tutorial, we'll walk you through how to install the Silent app for TeamTrace on the Windows platform. Start by logging into your account and clicking on Settings. Under the TeamTrace Setup section, navigate to Productivity, then go to Global Settings. Here, you will find your installation key. Copy it and keep it handy. Next, go to your Profile section and click on Download Apps. Under the Download TeamTrace Silent Desktop App section, you'll find the .exe file for Windows. Click on it to be taken to a page where you can download the latest version of the Silent app installer. Once the download is complete, open your Downloads folder, right-click the downloaded file, and select Run as Administrator. The TeamTrace configuration wizard will now appear. Enter the installation key you copied earlier into the designated field. To obtain your employee code, navigate to the People section and locate the relevant user. Copy their People ID, as this serves as the employee code for the tracker. Please note that there is also an alternative login method that requires only the installation key, in case you do not have access to the employee code. Once all the required details have been filled in, click Verify Credentials. A confirmation pop-up will appear indicating that the credentials have been verified successfully. Next, click Configure to finalize the setup. Another pop-up will confirm that the installation has been completed successfully. Once setup is complete, navigate to the Live People section to view the user for whom the Silent Tracker was installed and confirm that it is active. Also note that the Silent Tracker must be installed by an administrator. End users are not able to install the application independently on their own systems.